Just quickly, I'm not going to bore you, but when we talk fundamentals, which is good, is basically knowing why something happened. I'm going to give you every reason for something that did happen, did occur. I'm giving you the variables of the equation, I'm giving you the supply and demand, I'm giving you the whole story. Again, I'm taking the message back to you and us as traders. The question is it important for us to know why something is going up? Is it important for us to know why something is coming down? The answer is absolutely no. The moment you see something going up and you pick the phone and you call your broker and tell him, hold on a second, hold on a second, and you tell your broker why is the dollar going up or why Apple is going up, and this gentleman, the broker, comes in and gives you a laundry list of reasons why it is going up, this is the time for you to sell. There was the biggest investor in the world, one of the most richest men and the most brilliant investors in the market. His name in New York, his name was Baruch. He's the founder of the Baruch University. He had a saying. He said, the moment the taxi driver or the shoe shine tells me to buy a stock, this is the time I sell it. Okay? So knowing why it is going up is brilliant. This is an intellectual pursuit. We can sit, like Todd said, on a glass of wine and discuss why it is going up. It is our job to identify when it begins to go up and buy it. And when everybody else tells us why it's up there, this is the time we sell it.
And then I'll follow up real quick. Again, we're disagreeing about the exact same point. What we're saying is, those of you who sat through the Elliott wave theory, Elliott wave identifies a turn in fundamentals. Fundamentals begin to turn in the third wave. The first wave rallies, catches everybody off guard. You think you're going to new lows in the second wave. Third wave gets stops. Fundamentals begin to improve. Absolutely. We just want to attach a story to each part of the wave sequence, but you don't need to know. Fundamentals are not going to lead a turn.
I'd like to say I couldn't agree with Mike anymore. Todd's been saying that dollar-yen has been... He's been saying that the dollar-yen has been really tough to trade. Honestly, I couldn't tell you any of those facts that Boris or Todd knew about the dollar-yen. I had just watched this thing go into a short and into a trend, and I kept shorting it. Out of the last 20 trades on dollar-yen, I had one buy, and it was a very tight buy off of 85, and I had a specific reason, but everything has been selling on dollar-yen. Everything's been communicating to me short dollar-yen. If somebody had to say, please tell me something about the Japanese economy that's useful, and if you don't, your life ends in this moment, I would probably die. I couldn't tell you anything about it. But I do approach markets the same way Mike does. And I'm not saying that one is better than the other, but dollar-yen has not been tough for me. I've been making money on dollar-yen all this year. It's been one of the best trades, and it's been one of the easiest trades. To me, there's nothing complicated about dollar-yen on how to trade it. Everything is communicating to me the exact same thing. And so, yeah, I think, you know, watching price behavior the way Mike does, I couldn't agree with him more. I think it's absolutely brilliant because it communicates to me only one message: sell dollar-yen. And out of 20 times, 19 of the times it told me the same thing. So I couldn't agree. I couldn't care or know anything about it. I've just been making money.
Right.
So
Just one last word.
No.
I'm just going to tell you one thing. One sentence I'm going to share. The one thing that I train the traders in the company, and this is actually the motto that we have on our banner or whatever we trade, is simply this: trade what you see, not what you think. If this thing is going up, buy it. Don't think it shouldn't go up, buy it. You want to bet? You want to bet? Get the chart up and I'll show you.
All right, wait. No. You all made your point. You've already made your point. I want to make one very point.
Boris and
That's very true. I want to give you a very, very interesting parable from Nassim Taleb. I want everybody to have this idea seared in your mind. In the United States, we have a holiday called Thanksgiving, right? And on that holiday, we serve turkey. Imagine you're a turkey. Every single day, you're being fed very, very nice food. Every single day, you're gonna get fed. You're feeling very good for 364 days. You're selling that dollar-yen every single day for 3. Why? Because yesterday I got fed. 2 days ago I got fed. 3 days ago I got fed. I am in a beautiful fat trend. Comes 365 day, my head gets chopped off. This is what I want you to understand. That looking at price only without realizing what context you're in will inevitably chop off your head. This is why it's important to know why things are happening the way they are, and to always be aware of both price and the fundamentals. You can choose to trade purely by price action, but mark my words, you will be the turkey.
Again, I'm addressing you guys from a trading point of view, and this debate between fundamentals and technicals and stuff like that will go on forever. It's been going on for ages. Just 1 second, one last. Now, hold on a second. Yes, you will hear it, believe it. Now, the idea as a trader, when you're taking a trade, trading what you see and not what you think. Number one, everybody that's approaching the market, especially these gentlemen here and all of you, you're all brilliant minds. And I say that in all honesty. You are brilliant minds, you think. And when you think, you try to make common sense and logic of what is happening in the market. You think that the dollar should go up or the yen should come down, and suddenly there is this gap between what should happen and what is actually taking place. That is the big reality gap. There is a saying in the market, if you try to put a logic, and even with all due respect, in trying to program it 100% and putting all the variables in, it's practically impossible, because each one of you here, I mean, Mark, it's a brilliant piece of work, and I cannot even comment on it because I'm not in his level. But he has chosen 113 variables, which is true. But look at it, every one of you here, guys, is a variable. If you have $1 million, you can change and you can have an impact and a variable. There's limitless variables that you can bring in the market. So the final saying is, the market can be illogical for much longer than you and I can remain solvent.
Trigger in my mind. If it's going short, it's going short. Dollar yen's been a cash cow for me, so I've got no complaints about the dollar yen. I'm making money out of this on the short. So.
I mean, it's important to take the other side. I said dollar yen has been a very difficult trade. I have not been short dollar yen because it's against the intermarket analysis, but what I have been short dollar against is euro. And that, I think, has been a much more predictable trade that you can quantify risk because it's in the flow of markets that I look at. Dollar yen might be more in the side of what these guys are looking at, but there's dollar opportunities. I think there's more effective opportunities short dollar elsewhere.
You exactly made my point. You are a brilliant man, and I mean that. And that's why, because of your brilliance, I'm serious, I'm not giving you.
No,
it's the truth. That brilliance have stopped you from making the economy short. That's all what I'm saying. That's it. I didn't say anything else. Oh yeah, that's it. That's what I'm saying.
Wonderful.
I just want to
can show you the tricks right now. Absolutely. I've been showing them the lights and everything.
Wonderful. Okay, like usually the last words we would like to